Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will tell you a few things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Samsung Galaxy A73. So, when I can find my headphones on my phone, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just reset the Bluetooth connection. But how to do it? Okay, so in the settings, go to the connected devices, to the connections, now tap on the Bluetooth and just switch it off and switch it on again. It's a little bit obvious, but sometimes it's work. Then look for your device again. In the next step, just tap on the three-dot icon, go to the advanced settings and check that you have any block pairing request. If you don't have it, if you don't have anything here, it's good. If you have, just remove it. At the start, you have to be sure that the Bluetooth accessory is visible for your phone, and in the most devices you have to enable a pair mode. How to do it, you will find it in the manual instructions or on your YouTube channel. In my case, I have to click 3 times this button and my headphones start in the pair mode. So, if you're sure that the Bluetooth accessory is visible for your device, just try to restart your phone and restart your Bluetooth accessory. To do it, just hold the power button and volume down, I think, and tap on the restart. You can also try to restart the Bluetooth accessory and look for your device again. But if you don't see your Bluetooth accessory, go to the settings, tap on the About phone and choose reset. Now just open the reset network settings, tap on this blue button and configure it by this one. And how you can see, network settings has been reset, so look for your device again. The next recommendation from me, just check that you have any update of your system. How to do it? Just in the settings, go to the software update and tap on the first option. How you can see, I have to connect to the network to check it, but if you have any update available, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other device like laptop or other phone to check which gadget making a problem. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.